When we have a lot of data, the rank function is a great way to rank different things. It's a nice and easy format to see, for example, maybe sales by company, sales by region, whatever it might be, to show that order. So let's go through and take a look at how we can use the rank function. So looking at the movie data, let's say we want to look at ranking the movies, if we scroll all the way over to the right, by Facebook likes. We're going to add in column AC the rank. Now you'll notice, because it's set up as a table, as soon as I add another column right next to it, it's going to go ahead and incorporate that into the column. If I were to add that with a column in between, it's not going to do that. So I have my rank function, and I'm going to rank everything that's in column AB. To do that, I'm going to type my rank function, and I'm going to rank everything that's in my AB. So the first thing I'm going to select is my number. So I'll select cell AB2. So I'll see how that ranks. And I'm going to rank everything from that entire column. And I'll close those options. So now it's given me the rank based off of where this 33,000 in Facebook likes ranks compared to everything that's in column AB. So 33,000 Facebook likes ranks as 338th in my list. Now what I can do is take this information, sort it from smallest to largest, and I can see and also validate that it gave me the correct information. So the film that had the most movie Facebook likes is this first one with 349,000 Facebook likes. The second ranked one had 199,000 Facebook likes, and so on. So by providing that rank, it gives me that order that I can then filter based off of to see how it falls.